Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusalusa. This video is a review of the song Sweet Life by Fally Ipupa. Sweet Life from the album Power Kosa Leka was the first single to be released. In Congo, they promoted the song Ndoki more than any other songs from the album Power Kosa Leka. We'll get to that on another video. The song Sweet Life is about the balance between working and chilling. We have two characters, the lazy one who spends most of his time sleeping and the hardworking one. Because he works hard, it makes sense for him to also party hard. But for some reasons, the lazy guy also wants to party hard on the weekends. The opening line of the song is na tongo tango na lamukaka na ke mosala yo dodo. When I wake up in the morning to go to work, you are sleeping. When Sweet Life was released, it was very hard to form an opinion because it didn't fall into the category of a typical rumba song or a typical generic song. I'm looking forward to about 4 likes on this video. Thank you so much for watching. The next video on this channel will be a review of the song 12600 lettres by Franco Luambo Macchiadi and OK Jazz. If I get 4 likes, I make the next video.